guys, it's Nicole. We're ready to take on RAPTERRA again, and I get to do this for the first time with CEO Prime.
Absolutely. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melanin Coast Network. Today we at King's Dominion finna take on the all-new RAPTERRA, the fastest, the longest, the tallest, the greenest roller coaster in the world, launch wing coaster in the world.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh my God.
Here we go.
It's about to go down.
Woo!
Oh my God! Oh! It's so good! I can see Virginia! I can see Virginia! Oh! What is this? Woo! I'm flying, baby! Oh my God! Oh, it's a whale! I'm flying!
Oh, this is amazing!
Oh! Oh! What was that? Oh my God! It's so good! It's amazing! Oh! I can fly that whale! I can fly! Oh, it's so good! We're in the jungle! We're flying through the jungle! I can see the volcano! I can see the ball! Oh, that's the roll! The rolls are so delicious! Oh! Oh! That was so good!
That was
so good!
Amazing!
Amazing!
It was
Hey.
so smooth. Oh my God!
Oh my God! Hey, that last roll was so delicious. I wish we could eat it. I wish we could take it home and eat it.
I agree.
Oh man, that was so good. Great job, King's Dominion. Y'all come out here and experience the all-new RAPTERRA. King's Dominion, Dawswell, Virginia. Let's go. Great ride.
That was fun.
Hey!